So I was going to pierce my medusa beforehand, like on my own, but I decided to film it because I thought it would be fun. So I have my supplies and I'm just gonna go ahead. So I've had my medusa pierced before, but it closed up because it started like nesting and it just closed up, and I'm just gonna re-pierce it again. So I have my gloves and they're kind of big, but I think it'll work. I have my needle, sterilized needle. I have a clamp somewhere around here. Here's the clamp. It's closed, it's disposable. And then I have my alcohol pad, which is right here. I'm just gonna clean my lip area. It's probably gonna take off my makeup. I'm gonna dot where my scar is. It's kind of visible and it's kind of not, but I'm just gonna hope that I get the right spot. And my mirror's right here, so that's why I keep looking there. So this is a needle. It's 14 gauge. Honestly, it like looks pretty thick. I was kind of hoping the jewelry would be like a bit smaller. Try to do it real quick because looking at this needle kind of gives me anxiety now. I don't know how I let this happen before. Okay, the needle's in. You can see it. This is like a really weird angle, but I think I did pretty good. I don't want to touch it. But yeah, overall, I think I did pretty good.